Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having an excellent day trading today. You can see a white background, which means I have my application open during business hours here, active trading. You can see I'm down a bit here, $465.94 currently, about 1% of my overall portfolio. So a little bit of a pullback in the markets, and I thought this might be coming. I actually put a video out the other day about market pullback trading, and it looks like this is happening. And I thought this would happen for two different reasons. First, the markets were at all-time highs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had breached 20,000. And typically when that happens with any of the major indices, especially with the Dow, there tends to be a market pullback. And the other key component, which I thought was going to play a part in this pullback, was the very volatile politics coming out of the new administration, the White House, putting out some very controversial orders, if you will, which definitely has made the markets a little bit nervous here. And just kind of want to follow up with my pullback video here. If I scroll to the bottom, I had talked about inverse and leveraged ETFs that are excellent ways of trading a market pullback. So if I go down to the bottom here, SQQQ is one of the ETFs I've used in the past with pullback trading. And you can see here, this is up 3.17%. I also do want to comment on this rise here. Some of the viewers had mentioned that this is actually representing a stock consolidation, so a reverse split here, which I was not aware of. So thank you very much for letting me know that. That's the whole reason I put out these videos, is to learn a little bit about investing, and you guys definitely helped me learn about that. So thank you very much. I thought it was kind of strange that the indice was jumping up like that, and I thought it might have been from the market just because every one of these had that same kind of thing going on here. So it looked like there was a reverse split in a multitude of these different ETFs. Not this one here, but I guess these are all pro shares, so it kind of makes sense a company would do it at the same time. But anyway, getting back to the pullback trade, you can see up 3.17%, up 2.78%, up 3.05%. And this one here is up a whopping 9.3%. So I'm kind of kicking myself. I did not get into a few of these stocks. I was going to buy about $1,000 or so of SQQQ. I thought a pullback was coming today, but did not pull the trigger. And I will mention that this is market timing. This is a little bit of gambling strategy. It's very difficult to predict the markets. If they could be predicted, everybody would be buying this. But very difficult to say a market will go up or down. I thought it might pull back a bit. And any pullback, these leveraged and inverse ETFs really pop up quite extraordinarily. So you can see here, 3% for all three of these first pro shares ultra short ETFs. And this one here is up 9.61%. So a very good opportunity for pullback trading today. Should have taken advantage, but again, it's a little bit risky doing this. You know, these stocks, as some of you have mentioned, are very poor long-term plays. You can see this one here is essentially lost almost all its value here, to the point where it had to do a reverse split here. Same way for this stock, and same way for this one as well. So very cool way of trading pullback markets here. Reference my other video to kind of go into depth about pullback trading, but a very good example of it here today. I did jump in, bought a little bit more forward to try to do a little bit of a day or swing trade. But yeah, overall, a little bit of a market pullback today. We'll kind of see where this plays out and how it ends today. But so far, about halfway through the trading session today, a very big pullback. So we'll see if we can regain some of the momentum the stocks have had over the last few weeks, or if this continues to pull back here a bit. And if it does, those inverse and leveraged ETFs are a great way of trading a pullback market. So let me know what you guys think of using inverse and ETFs in this fashion. If you guys are doing any other pullback trading strategies, anything for a down market. You can't really short in Robinhood here other than using some of those ETFs, and or just selling off your stock and then buying it at lower prices, which I've done that in the past, but you can't really short a stock in the conventional sense in Robinhood here. So yeah, let me know what you guys are doing today. I'll put out another video updating you on the markets and how my trading went today. But yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until my next video, we'll see you then.